Welcome to a land where the desert meets the sea and tradition dances with modern beauty. Today, we are exploring the wonders of Qatar, a small country with big surprises from golden sand dunes to futuristic cities. Qatar is full of magic, mystery, and must see spots. Stay with me until the end to discover the hidden gems and amazing stories behind this Arabian treasure. Qatar is a small country in the Middle East, but it is full of big wonders. It is rich in culture, history, and modern architecture. People from all over the world visit Qatar to see its beauty. In this video, we will explore the most amazing places and things that make Qatar special. Doha, the capital city. Doha is the heart of Qatar. It is a modern city with tall buildings, wide roads, and beautiful beaches. At night, the city lights shine like stars. Doha is also home to many museums, shopping malls, and restaurants. Highlights of Doha: Corniche, a long road by the sea, perfect for walking and watching the sunset. Best Way, a business area full of tall and shiny buildings. The Pearl, a man-made island with luxury homes, shops, and cafes. Museum of Islamic Art. The Museum of Islamic Art is one of the most famous buildings in Qatar. It is built on an island near Doha, Corniche. The building looks like it is floating on water. Inside the museum, you will find art from many Islamic countries. There are old books, beautiful carpets, jewelry, and pottery. The design of the museum is also very special. It was made by a famous architect named I.M. Fai. Katara Cultural Village. Katara is a place where culture and art come alive. It is not just a village, it is a center of art, music, theater, and learning. There are art galleries, music halls, and beach, and many cafes. Qatar also has a big amphitheater where events and shows happen. People come here to enjoy traditional Qatari food and watch cultural programs. Souq Waqif, the traditional market. If you want to feel the old Qatar, visit Souq Waqif. It is a traditional market where you can buy spices, clothes, perfumes, and souvenirs. You will hear music, smell fresh food, and see people in traditional clothes. There are also animals like falcons and camels. Many tourists come here to take photos, eat local dishes, and shop for handmade items. Desert safari and sand dunes. The desert is a wonder of nature in Qatar. You can take a desert safari and enjoy a thrilling ride on sand dunes. It feels like a roller coaster on the sand. People also enjoy camel rides, camping, and watching the stars at night. The best part of visiting island sea Khor Al Adaid, where the sea touches the desert. It is a rare and beautiful place in the world. National Museum of Qatar. The National Museum looks like a giant rose made of sand. It tells the story of Qatar's past and future. Inside you can learn about Bedouin life, pearl diving, oil discovery, and Qatar's growth into a modern country. The museum also has interactive displays, videos, and real-life objects from history. It is fun and educational for both children and adults. Education City. Qatar loves education. In Education City, you will find some of the best universities and schools from around the world. These are campuses from the USA, UK, and other countries. It also has a big library, parks, and art centers. Many students come here to study and build their future. Lusail City, the city of the future. Lusail is a new city near Doha. It is full of modern buildings, clean parks, and clean roads. It is made for the FIFA World Cup 2022 and is now a smart city with high technology. Lusail Stadium, where the final World Cup match was played, is also here. The city shows how Qatar is growing fast but still respects its culture. Zubarah Fort. Zubarah Fort is an old building that shows Qatar's history. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Long ago, it was a trading town. Today, the fort is quiet, but you can still see the old walls, towers, and rooms. It is a great place to learn about life in the past. The beaches of Qatar. Qatar has many beautiful beaches. The sand is clean and the water is blue. People go swimming, boating, or just relax in the sun. Some popular beaches: Skyline Beach, Simaisma Beach, Al Waqara Beach. These places are perfect for family trips and picnics. Qatar may be small in size, but it is full of surprises. From modern buildings to old forts, from deserts to sea, Qatar has it all. Whether you love history, culture, shopping, or adventure, Qatar offers something for everyone. If you ever get a chance to visit Qatar, don't miss these wonders. You will return with beautiful memories and a deep understanding of this magical land. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in last, hit the bell icon for more interesting and traveling videos.